welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a very interesting video. We Indians love our Kajal so much. It's just our favorite things in our makeup vanity. Like even people who don't wear makeup wear Kajal. Kajal is like a staple. I feel like it's part of our culture. So today I'm going to show you guys how to wear Kajal in different ways. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and also please don't forget to share this video with your friends, and let's get started. So for today's video, I'm going to use my favorite Rimmel Scandalized eye pencil. So for the first method, I'm going to take the kohl pencil and apply it on the outer ends of my lower lash line. So I'm just reducing the pressure when I reach the middle portion of my lower lash line, and I think this method is perfect if you have small eyes, because when you wear Kajal on your waterline, it makes it look even smaller. So this is a great way. For the second method, we are just going to do the same thing which we did on the lower lash line. So we're just going to add a bit of kohl on the outer ends of our upper lash line. So lower lash line, upper lash line, only on the outer ends. That's it. So this gives you that nice doe kind of eye look, and I really like it. So the third method is to wear the Kajal on the waterline, which is the most popular and most common method. So for this method, I'm going to apply the kohl pencil on the outer ends of my lower lash line in addition to the kohl pencil on the waterline. So doing this kind of creates that defined kind of a look rather than your regular Kajal on the waterline, you know. So for this look, I'm going to apply kohl on the waterline, and I'm going to apply it on the lower lash line. So I'm creating a nice thick line from the outer ends to the inner corners all the way, and it creates this bold eye look, which I kind of like. So for this method, in addition to the kohl pencil on the waterline, I'm going to draw a little bit on the lower lash line, and I'm going to take a Q-tip and I'm going to smudge that lower lash line, and also I'm going to place the Q-tip horizontally and smudge it even more. So if you're going to smudge the lower lash line, make sure you smudge it right after you apply it on the lower lash line, because some pencils dry down, so it is going to be difficult to smudge it once it dries. So I'm nicely smudging it. This is one of my favorite methods to wear kohl pencil. So in this method, you can actually keep your lower lash line in any way you prefer, and I'm going to apply the kohl pencil as a thick layer of eyeliner on my upper lash line. And I really think this is like a nice edgy kind of look, because it's not the perfect liner, but it's still bold, you know. So for the final look, I'm taking the ends of a tube or a card, and I'm just going to place that in an angle, and I'm going to draw a winged liner using the kohl pencil, and I'm just slightly smudging it with a Q-tip. I'm going to take a makeup remover wipe on my finger, and I'm just going to clean the edges like this. So that is my final method to apply kohl pencil.
So that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you have any other way in which you wear Kajal, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's it for today's video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!